Hey.
Hey.
How long has it been?
A while. Like,
Yeah.
ever since last summer, I think.
It was before that. Fuck. Alright. So, we're gonna do the fart soundboard challenge. Even though, no one challenged us, that's okay. That's life. Sometimes you just do stuff. Like,
Just want to join in the fun.
Yeah, like go see Ouija and, yeah.
And then do this to make you feel better.
Yeah. Or have a creepy basement. Anyway. Alright. So, here's how it's gonna work. We're gonna pick one of the fart sounds.
And we can't laugh.
And if we do, we have to take a drink. And since we're minors.
I have, I don't know if you can see it, but Starbucks Frappuccino.
And I, being the cool one here, have water.
Pinky's out.
When in doubt, bitch.
You didn't do the...
Alright, so, you wanna go first?
Okay.
Oh, man.
Let's do a door jam.
Dude, why would you not do gas hole?
Where's that at?
Right there.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay, now remember, whoever laughs has to take a drink.
The first one to laugh.
Yeah, so
Or the first one to make a sound.
And we're gonna do this 3 times. So go ahead. Okay. Okay. All right.
My eyes are watering. I had to hold it in.
You just lost.
No, I didn't.
Fine, whatever. All right, I'll press it this time. And once again, with feeling, of course, gas hole. Okay. All right. Last time. You have the honors.
I feel like I'm gonna break on this one. My eyes are gonna start watering really bad. Okay. Last time, gas hole.
Bitch.
You broke.
You broke. I said son of a bitch. You, on the other hand, are laughing. And you laughed like the first time, too, bitch. Drank.
Alright, fine.
That's how you win. Mm-hmm. Sadie, where'd you go? Pick another one.
Alright.
Sadie, no. Sadie.
Why?
Sadie, no. Come here. What'd you pick?
Let's do Puff Daddy.
Wait. Okay, no, I need. Okay. All right. I'm back.
Puff Daddy.
All right. Okay, where is it? Oh shit.
I can't hold it in.
Drink, bitch, drink.
But you pressed the wrong one, first of all.
Yeah. Prelude to a crap. Hey, that was in that one video.
Oh yeah, it was.
Wait. Where is Tuna Mount Madness? Well, there's Anus Madness. Laurel and Barty.
The Titanic one.
I don't know.
That one's gonna make Battles of the Titanic.
I don't know. The unthinkable Molly Brown's undergarments. What do you think, man? Or maybe the commotion.
Boy.
Or
Hair
some
biscuits.
Fartnick finale.
Rectal Bismol.
Jurassic farts. All Jurassic farts. Let's do it. All right. And now, seeing as it's my turn, Jurassic farts. 1. That's it?
Your reaction, you're like, that's it?
I was honestly expecting more.
I thought it was going to sound like a dinosaur or something.
Yeah, what? That was a letdown. All right.
Touche.
Let's do a different
Oprah
one.
Winfrey.
We are not doing Oprah Winfrey. We could do Donald Loves Daisy. What the fuck? Let's do it.
That was all you. Take a drink.
Oh my god, what the hell? Why? Okay. 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 Your turn.
Okay.
Dale Earnfart.
Squat thrust. Hot air balloon.
Trumpeter.
Mudslide.
You know.
Sounds delicious.
Wait, let me check my Snapchat. That's more important than this.
Toadstool. Cheese dog.
Hey.
Hey.
How you doing?
Don't start.
Don't start what?
Quit.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, choose one.
Okay, let's do the clucking chicken.
Oh boy.
That sounds like it's
I've never heard this one.
Okay, clucking chicken. I can't. Oh my god.
That was beautiful.
Alright, do it again. Sounds like my dad's farts.
The internet didn't need to know that.
Yeah, they did.
No.
They need a connection with me.
They already do. They know that you like to laugh at farts. Damn weirdo.
Let me take my drink.
It's not that hard to drink. You know, honestly, you have been drinking things since you were, what, a baby? Okay, you had nipple juice. What's so funny? Is it the nipple juice thing?
I can see you, like, when I'm looking at the...
Ooh.
I'm looking at the camera, I can see your face, and it's like...
Alright.
Alright, you gotta find one.
My turn. Alright, I don't know. Touche? Packing tape? No. Wet and wimpy. Why the fuck would they want? No. Rectal bismal. Oh, Lord.
Light a match, bottom burp, colon powell.
Oh, hey, I found Tuna Melt Madness.
Oh, I thought you already said that.
I found Anus Madness.
Oh.
Yeah. Macaroni and squeeze. That's good.
Good God. Would you like ketchup, Mr. Bubbles?
Okay. Once again, the
I
unthinkable.
can't do it again.
The unstinkable. Ooh, Molly Brown's undergarments. Oh, fuck.
I'm okay.
And finally, the last turn thing. The unstinkable Molly Brown's undergarments. Yeah, it's not as funny the third time.
I know, you get used to it.
Yeah. Sadie. No, you already went pee.
You just went out.
Love you though. Anyway. Okay.
Woo. Yeah, cool chill.
Maybe it's a ghost.
Tanya farting. I don't know which one to do. Donald loves Daisy.
We already did that, remember?
We did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, that was good.
Good push.
Thanks. Fly swatter?
Donut cream filler.
Do it.
Okay. Donut cream filler.
Filler.
I said filler.
You said filler.
Filler. You gotta put a little
Whatever.
sass on it.
No, you really don't.
Okay, donut cream filler.
Well, that was disappointing. I'm not gonna lie. I have
okay.
a very wonderful sense of humor.
Okay.
Why not do dueling buttholes?
Where's that at?
Right above it.
Oh,
Sadie, you are
okay.
in the video. Come here. I am not playing with you, dog.
She's like, no thanks.
We are trying to fart.
Okay, dueling buttholes. What's this one?
Wait. Son of a bitch! It's not done!
That was you. Take a drink.
Alright. All right, I think this is gonna be our last one, so we gotta make it count. Staring contest.
No.
All right. Let's see. Bathroom Blitz. How you feel about that one?
I don't know. Just pick one.
No, I want to be sure about this.
I want like a really long one because
Fart of the Bumblebee.
Where do you see that?
It's right beside Hinder Reminder. Under C flat. Beside Bug Zap. And Forrest Gump.
God, alien encounter.
Oh, God.
Okay.
All right. Well, and that's the truth. No, and that's the truth isn't very good.
I love the Titanic one. The Vows of the Titanic.
Feces, pieces. Oh, Lord. All right. It's, I don't know. And Commotion. That's pretty good.
What's Mudslide?
I don't know. I don't think I've ever heard that one. Bugle Boy. Number 2 with a bullet.
What kind of name is that?
A dangerous one. Heiny Hiccup. The Long and Winded Road. Oh, that one sounds pretty. That sounds poetic. That sounds
That does.
deep.
That sounds.
The Long and Winded Road is not the one we're picking, though. Dale Earnhardt. What the?
She's over there, like, chilling with her toy.
Damn. That is not okay, Sadie. Anyway. All right. I'm thinking.
Monica, you is stinky.
Where the fuck is that? Oh.
Ready, set, blow.
I'm thinking we go with Fart of the Bumblebee.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
No.
1, 2, 3, go. No, I can't. Pull up blank. I lost. And since we are bidding you adieu, is that how you say it? I don't speak French.
I don't know. I had Spanish for 3 years.
So did I.
So, yeah.
So I'm thinking we do Out of Gas. Bye. Why didn't we pick that one? Oh, man, that is wasted opportunity right there.
Oh, man.
All right, guys. So, bye, I guess.
I guess so.
All right. Well, bye.
Bye.